How to get Supercharger in the Bingo Blitz game. If you have been playing the Bingo Blitz and wondering on how to get the Supercharger boost on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Bingo Blitz game, just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to get the Supercharger, you need to charge the power-up meter. During the gameplay, dove numbers to fill your power-up meter. Once filled a random power-up, possibly the Supercharger will become available for activation. Purchase from the in-game store. Navigate to the in-game store to buy power-up packs, which may include Superchargers. Tap onto the boost button right here on the top, and from here you can simply purchase the Supercharger. The next thing you can do is simply participate in events and promotions. Engage in special events and promotions within the game that offer power-ups as rewards. And that's it. This is how you can get Supercharger in the Bingo Blitz game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.